Today, we're in front of this beautiful Fleetwood, 22 feet wide by 52 feet long, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a beautiful kitchen. You're gonna love the master bedroom. Let's go take a look at this beautiful Fleetwood Canyon Lake Series manufactured home. So our customer's favorite is this beautiful 6-foot half factory built front porch. Some people choose to build a site built porch, but then you would lose this curb appeal that ties in to the manufactured home. The first things you may have noticed is how open this floor plan is. We have the bedrooms all the way in the back. That creates a little bit more privacy. The master bedroom's a lot more quiet having that second bedroom there. If you're a senior, this is in a 55+ community, this is a great home. Or if you're a small family, this is wonderful, you're gonna love it. This is a very large kitchen that opens up to the living area, and check out this breakfast bar on this beautiful kitchen island. This home showcases a lot of beautiful standard features such as laminate countertops. Take a look at this edging. It's very nice. Over here in the kitchen, we have 6-inch backsplash, which adds a lot of character. If you want, you can always upgrade these cabinets to quartz, granite, solid surface, whatever materials you would like. If the factory doesn't have the colors that you like, you can always omit them. Then just go get your own countertops and have them installed. People do that all the time. Over here, we have this coat closet, or you could turn it into a pantry. So that's more storage. We also have the stainless steel appliances. Customers still love stainless steel appliances. If you want white or black, you can get that as well. These are the standard cabinets. They are a wrapped cabinet, but they last very long. We put a lot of these homes in all of our entry-level homes. You can see the quality and they look beautiful. It's hard to tell that they are not wood cabinets. Let's go take a look around here over on this other side so you can see how much storage this kitchen island adds. You can put your pots, your pans, all your Tupperware in this kitchen island. It is a lot of extra space. Customers love it. Most of the time, that's the reason for going with this larger kitchen island. Check out this beautiful cut corner. This cut corner has allowed us to add more windows, so it brings in more natural light into this home. If you wanted to go a little bit more fancy, you can always do that farmhouse sink. You can go stainless steel, white, black. You can also upgrade this to a gooseneck faucet, but right here we have the sprayer. You're gonna notice these high 9-foot flat ceilings. These 9-foot flat ceilings have allowed us to add even more window space. Take a look at this right here. These stack windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stack windows is the reason you're seeing all of this beautiful natural light. If you want something a little more fancy for the windows, you can always add those wood window sills. But take a look at this room. It's very spacious. The way you can set it up, it's great entertaining family and friends. You can have a game table over here, a dining room table over where Sai's standing. You put your TV on that wall. You could put your TV on this wall, depending how you want to set up your furniture. You have a lot of options. That's one reason why our customers love this Canyon Lake floor plan. So now let's go take a look over here. Right here, we have a walk-in shower. It's a standard bathroom, laminate countertops, vanity lights, fan, and another light up top. If you wanted, you can always do a walk-in shower here. A lot of people prefer having at least one shower with a tub shower combo. Cabinet space is a question we always get asked. Customers feel like there's limited cabinet space sometimes. Not in this home. We have all of these cabinets right in here. You're gonna see how much room is there. You can use these as your linen cabinets, storage. You can put anything in there that will fit. They are different cubby sizes. Now, as I Tippy toe backwards, we're gonna get over here to this utility room. And the utility room is nice and big. No more needing to go to the laundromat to do your laundry. We have room for a side-by-side washer and dryer. We have this overhead rack. Again, you can add overhead cabinets if that's an option you want. If you like stackable washer and dryers, you can make this stackable and then add cabinet space. There's a lot of flexibility and different options that you can choose. These bedrooms are great size. Let's go take a look. This bedroom is a very large guest bedroom, or if you have kids, 2 kids, perfect for a bunk bed right here on this wall. This wall right here is perfect for a bunk bed. If you'd like to put a king size bed or a queen size, it will fit in this room. You have room for dressers here and over here, but take a look at this closet. This closet is a good size closet as well. So this is a great second bedroom if you have kids or if you have guests. Let's go in this master bedroom. I love it. This is a really large bedroom. I love it. King size bed over here, right on this wall. Just imagine a nice, beautiful mirror with all your beautiful dressers in this closet. You are gonna love this closet. If you love shoes or clothes, take a look at this closet. It is a walk-in closet. Having these 9-foot flat ceilings has given us more space in the closet up above, so you could put all your shoe boxes up top. Finally, we're over here in this master bathroom. This master bathroom is a great size room. It's great use of the square footage, usable space. These master bathrooms, you see a lot of wasted space. Well, this is great use of space. A his and her sink, a dual sink. That's something you can add. If you only want one sink, something that's cool is you can put the sink in the middle, and you'll have cabinet doors here, and you can put drawers on both sides. Or if you have a his and her sink, one of the options we could have chose is putting a bank of drawers down the middle. So when you order a new manufactured home, you have a lot of different options. This is an example of the walk-in shower that I was telling you you can add to the guest bathroom. This is a beautiful home. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We also appreciate all the love you can do by hitting that like button. See you next time.